Ryder Realty Group and Keller Williams Atlanta Partners. I want to show you our new renovation project that is getting started in a couple of days. Really excited about what this property, the opportunities this property has. It's going to be beautiful. It's really going to look totally different than what you see now. No more green, no more brick. We're going to paint the brick. There's just going to be a lot of different things that are going to happen with this house, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So come on, let's go check it out. It's a great thing to have a fenced backyard, right? Especially if you have pets or if you have dogs, or if you have kids, rather. It could be the same thing. But anyway, we've got a beautiful backyard, huge pecan tree. That's a pecan tree, by the way. So you're going to have pecans in your backyard if you live here. Nice outbuilding, as you can see, it's fenced in. Back here, some would say this is a beautiful covered back deck, but we're going to rip all that out because it's not built very well. So what's underneath there is cement. There's a dog next door. There's a cement patio under there, so we're going to take this off, reveal that, clean it all up. It's going to be a nice area to get out here and sit out in the shade of the pecan tree. So yeah, it's going to come together. So as you walk through, you can see original cabinets, original countertops, old appliances. All this will be ripped out and we'll have new stuff in here. We come through to the what is considered now a den. You know, back in the 60s when this house was built, they separated all the living spaces. They separated the living space from the den. You have a separate dining room. Well, we're going to take this wall here. This wall's coming out. So we're going to rip this out. This whole area is going to be wide open. We're going to continue these beautiful hardwood floors. Come check this out. Original hardwoods. So we're going to continue those original hardwoods throughout this area here, so it flows very nicely into the kitchen. Open this area up. It'll be a very open floor plan for a 1964 house. Typical of another, this is a 64 house. Hallway. Bedroom, there's the master bath in the master bedroom back here and the two bedrooms here. So it is a 3-2. The bathrooms will all be new. Everything will be new. I think the theme here is new. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button. Thanks.